Unplug the sauna from the wall or turn off the breaker for the sauna. Remove the left and right corner back dust covers. Disconnect the CLSCU from E10 if you have an mPulse or E6 if you have an amplify. Disconnect the CLSCU from E11 if you have an mPulse or E3 if you have an amplify. Pull the remote receiver out of the hole in the roof of the sauna. Unscrew the CLSCU. Be sure to save the screws. Remove the old CLSCU. Insert the new CLSCU into the same spot as the old one. Screw down the new CLSCU. Connect the CLSCU to E10 if you have an mPulse or E6 if you have an amplify. Connect the CLSCU from E11 if you have an mPulse or E3 if you have an amplify. Slide the remote receiver down the hole in the roof. Enter your sauna and check by the speaker that the receiver is not too far down. If it is, push it up until the plastic of the receiver is flush with the wood of the roof. Unplug the connection that corresponds to the light that is getting replaced. Lift the roof and prop up the area that the wire comes out of the wall. Look down the hole where the wire comes out of the wall and unscrew the zip tie that is holding the wire in place. Alternatively, you can cut the zip tie. Go inside the sauna and remove the wood coverings on all the lights. Remove the plastic coverings on the lights. Peel up the light strip off the wooden support. Tape the connector of the old light strip to the end of the new light strip without the connector. From the top of the hole, pull out the old light strip until the connector pops out. Pass the new light strip connector through the hole in the roof. Remove the tape that is holding the two light strips together. Remove the rest of the old light strip. Take the new light strip and peel off the backing to reveal the adhesive strip. Starting with the side of the light strip without the connector, attach it to the top of the light housing closest to the hole where the connector goes up. Wrap the light around the housing until it comes back to where you started. Be sure to lay any additional light flat inside the light housing. Reconnect the light connection to the roof. Be sure to line up the arrows on the connectors. Gently set the roof back down and being sure not to pinch or crush any connections. Reattach the plastic covers for the light strips. Reattach the wooden covers for the light strips, starting with the back wall and then the side walls. Plug the sauna back in or turn the breaker back on. Turn the tablet on and open the Sunlighten app, then press the light bulb icon and slide the slider on next to internal lights to test the new light strip. Replace left and right corner back covers on the roof and screw them down with their screws.